In the wild, survival is a matter of speed. While size, strength, and stealth are important, there are animals that rely on one extraordinary weapon: the ability to strike faster than the blink of an eye. Some move with such explosive velocity that their attacks are literally faster than a speeding bullet. Imagine standing face to face with a predator so quick you wouldn't even realize you've been struck until it's already over. In this video, we will embark on a countdown of the top 10 fastest animal attacks in the natural world. From the depths of the ocean to the skies above, and even the hidden corners of the forest floor, these creatures have mastered the art of speed as their ultimate survival strategy. Each species we'll encounter has evolved to harness velocity in a unique way, whether through lightning-fast strikes, record-shattering dives, or sudden ambushes that leave prey defenseless. Stay with us until the very end, because the animal at number 1 will completely shatter everything you thought you knew about speed in nature. And don't forget, subscribe to Animal Ranking Hub for more breathtaking journeys into the hidden secrets of the animal kingdom. Top 10. Giant centipede, Scolopendra gigantea. The venomous ambush predator. When you think of speed, a centipede may not come to mind. Yet the giant centipede, stretching nearly a foot in length, is one of the quickest and deadliest ambush predators on land. With dozens of powerful legs moving in perfect coordination, it can launch forward in a blur, latching onto prey before the victim even realizes it's under attack. What makes this creature truly terrifying is its combination of speed and venom. In just a fraction of a second, the centipede pierces its prey with sharp forcipules, modified legs that inject a potent neurotoxin. This venom paralyzes insects, lizards, birds, and even small mammals almost instantly. For the prey, there is no time to escape. One swift strike, and it's all over. Scientists studying the giant centipede's hunting behavior have noted how it relies on explosive bursts of speed in tight spaces, ambushing prey in caves, leaf litter, or rocky crevices. It doesn't need endurance. The sheer quickness of its attack is enough to overwhelm. It's a chilling reminder that in nature, being small doesn't mean being slow or harmless. The giant centipede proves that sometimes the deadliest killers are those you'd least expect. Top 9. Trapdoor spider, Tenizidae. The lightning-fast ambusher hidden beneath the forest floor lies a predator that embodies patience and explosive speed, the trapdoor spider. These small yet deadly hunters construct silk-lined burrows capped with a perfectly camouflaged door made of soil, vegetation, and silk. To the unsuspecting prey, the ground looks ordinary until it's too late. The trapdoor spider waits silently, sensing vibrations through specialized hairs on its body. The instant a cricket, beetle, or ant wanders too close, the spider bursts from its hiding place with astonishing velocity. Researchers have clocked these ambushes at less than 0.03 seconds, faster than a human blink. Prey is seized and dragged underground before it can react, vanishing without a trace. What makes this predator fascinating is its combination of stealth and speed. While it lacks venom as potent as other spiders, its strategy relies on timing and precision. By striking so quickly, it eliminates the need for a long chase, conserving energy while ensuring maximum success. The trapdoor spider reminds us that the most dangerous attacks are often the ones you never see coming. A silent assassin lurking beneath your feet, ready to strike in a flash. Top 8. Crocodidae, the explosive jaws of a prehistoric predator. At first glance, crocodiles appear slow and sluggish, basking lazily in the sun or drifting silently in murky waters. But this illusion hides one of the most explosive attacks in the animal kingdom. When the moment comes to strike, a crocodile can snap its jaws shut with lightning speed, faster than the human eye can follow. The sheer force of its bite is already legendary. Measured at over 3,700 pounds per square inch, the strongest of any living animal. But paired with its astonishingly quick strike, it becomes nearly impossible for prey to escape. Fish, birds, antelope, and even large mammals are dragged into the water in an instant, caught in the infamous death roll. What makes crocodiles particularly dangerous is their element of surprise. They remain perfectly motionless for hours, blending into their surroundings, and then unleash their ambush in a sudden burst. For animals that dare to drink at the water's edge, there is no second chance. only the brutal speed of a predator that has remained unchanged for over 200 million years. The crocodile is proof that in nature, appearances deceive. What seems sluggish can, in reality, be a living weapon of speed and power combined. Top 7. Cheetah, Acinonyx jubatus, the sprinting assassin of the savanna. When it comes to speed on land, no predator is more famous than the cheetah. Built like a living race car, this sleek feline can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 97 kilometers per hour, in just 3 seconds, a feat even most supercars struggle to match. At full stride, the cheetah reaches speeds of 70 miles per hour, 112 kilometers per hour, making it the fastest land animal alive. But speed alone isn't what makes the cheetah such a deadly hunter. It's the explosive precision of its strike. Once within range, the cheetah uses a rapid burst of acceleration to close the final gap, tripping its prey with a swipe of its paw before delivering a suffocating bite. The entire hunt, from chase to kill, is often over in less than 20 seconds. However, this incredible speed comes at a cost. The cheetah can only sustain such velocity for short bursts, as its body overheats quickly. Every hunt is a gamble of seconds, succeed swiftly or risk exhaustion and failure. The cheetah's attack is the embodiment of nature's high-stakes race, a predator designed not for endurance, but for pure blistering speed in the decisive moment of the kill. Top 6. Whip scorpion, the vinegaroon, the whip-fast striker of the underworld. The whip scorpion, also called the vinegaroon, is a creature shrouded in mystery. At first glance, it looks terrifying, like a mix between a spider and a scorpion, yet it is not deadly to humans. But for its prey, the whip scorpion's blinding speed makes it a relentless hunter. Unlike true scorpions, this arachnid lacks venomous stingers. Instead, it relies on explosive strikes with its pedipalps, which snap shut like powerful pincers. With lightning precision, it grabs crickets, beetles, and other insects in a fraction of a second, leaving them no chance of escape. Once captured, the prey is crushed, immobilized, and consumed. Adding to its arsenal, the whip scorpion can spray a defensive acid with a sharp vinegar-like smell, deterring larger predators. But its greatest weapon remains its burst of speed, allowing it to dominate in the dark underground habitats it calls home. Though not as famous as snakes or big cats, the whip scorpion proves that speed takes many forms in nature. Sometimes in the shape of a silent, night-dwelling predator armed with pincers quicker than the eye can follow. Top 5. Sailfish, Istiophorus platypterus, the sword of the sea. In the vast blue oceans, where survival depends on speed and agility, the sailfish reigns supreme. Known as the fastest fish in the world, it can reach swimming speeds of up to 68 miles per hour, 110 kilometers per hour. With its sleek torpedo-shaped body and elongated bill, the sailfish cuts through the water like a living spear. Its hunting strategy is a breathtaking display of precision and velocity. Sailfish often hunt in groups, driving schools of smaller fish toward the surface. Then, with a sudden burst, they slash through the shoal using their long, sword-like bills. In a fraction of a second, prey is stunned or injured, making them easy to swallow. This method not only relies on raw speed, but also on the surgical accuracy of each strike. The sailfish's signature dorsal fin, or sail, adds to its advantage, helping it maneuver with incredible agility during high-speed chases. This combination of speed, coordination, and weaponry makes the sailfish one of the most efficient predators in the ocean. The next time you think of the ocean's greatest hunters, remember this: even sharks can't match the blinding velocity of the sailfish's attack. Top 4. Peregrine falcon, Falco peregrinus. The fastest dive in the animal kingdom. High above the earth, the peregrine falcon reigns as the ultimate aerial predator. While many animals are fast, none can match the record-shattering speed of this bird's hunting dive. When it spots prey, usually a pigeon or small bird, the falcon tucks its wings, streamlines its body, and plummets toward its target. In this breathtaking stoop, the peregrine reaches speeds of up to 242 miles per hour, 389 kilometers per hour, making it the fastest creature on the planet. But speed alone isn't enough. The falcon combines its velocity with surgical precision. Just before impact, it uses its sharp talons to strike prey midair, often killing instantly with the sheer force of the collision. What makes this attack even more impressive is the falcon's incredible eyesight, 8 times sharper than that of humans, allowing it to lock onto targets from over a mile away. This combination of power, accuracy, and unparalleled speed makes the peregrine falcon not only a master of the skies, but also a symbol of nature's perfection in design. Its dive is a reminder that in the natural world, sometimes the deadliest strike comes from above, too fast to ever be avoided. Top 3. Black mamba, Dendroaspis polylepis, the lightning strike of Africa's deadliest snake. The black mamba is not only one of the most feared snakes in the world, it's also among the fastest when it comes to delivering a lethal strike. Native to sub-Saharan Africa, this serpent can move across the ground at speeds up to 12 miles per hour, 20 kilometers per hour, but its true danger lies in the blinding speed of its bite. When threatened or hunting, the black mamba can strike repeatedly in rapid succession, each bite delivered in less than 1/10 of a second. With long, needle-sharp fangs, it injects a potent neurotoxin capable of shutting down the nervous system and killing a human in under 20 minutes if untreated. Prey such as birds or small mammals stand no chance, paralyzed almost instantly before they even realize they've been attacked. What makes the black mamba even more terrifying is its combination of agility and aggression. Unlike many snakes that retreat when confronted, the mamba is notorious for standing its ground, hissing loudly, and striking with explosive precision. This snake's attack is a chilling reminder that in nature, sometimes the deadliest weapon is not size or strength, but the ability to kill in the blink of an eye. Top 2. Mantis shrimp, Odontodactylus ciliaris, the bullet puncher of the ocean. Beneath the waves hides one of nature's most extraordinary predators, the mantis shrimp. Despite its small size, barely longer than a human hand, this crustacean wields a strike so fast and powerful that it has been compared to a .22 caliber bullet. The mantis shrimp possesses specialized raptorial appendages that act like biological spring-loaded hammers. When triggered, these clubs accelerate at over 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, delivering a punch with the force of 1,500 newtons. The speed of the strike is so extreme that it creates cavitation bubbles, tiny pockets of superheated water that collapse with explosive force, producing a secondary shockwave that can stun or kill prey, even if the initial blow misses. Shellfish, crabs, and even snails with tough exoskeletons stand little chance. Their protective armor shatters like glass under the mantis shrimp's relentless assault. Beyond its speed, this creature has another superpower, some of the most advanced eyes in the animal kingdom, capable of seeing ultraviolet and polarized light, giving it unmatched accuracy in its strikes. The mantis shrimp is proof that sometimes the most devastating weapons belong not to giants, but to the tiny assassins of the deep. Top 1. Peregrine falcon's deadly precision, revisited as nature's #1 strike. The absolute master of speed. At the very peak of the list stands a predator whose attack is unmatched in both speed and precision, the peregrine falcon. While many animals boast incredible bursts of motion, none can rival the falcon's record-breaking dive, making it the undisputed champion of natural velocity. When locked on a target, usually a pigeon or smaller bird, the peregrine folds its wings and plunges earthward at speeds of up to 242 miles per hour, 389 kilometers per hour. This isn't just the fastest animal attack, it's the fastest movement of any creature on the planet. In less than a heartbeat, prey is struck mid-flight, killed instantly by the sheer kinetic force of the collision. What sets the peregrine apart is not only its raw speed, but its perfect balance of adaptations. Razor-sharp talons, aerodynamic body design, and vision so sharp it can track prey from over a mile away. Every hunt is a display of evolution's finest engineering, a combination of power, control, and deadly precision. In the natural world, speed is survival, and no animal demonstrates this truth more completely than the peregrine falcon, the undisputed speed king of predators. From the hidden strike of a trapdoor spider to the ocean-shattering punch of the mantis shrimp, and finally, the sky-dominating dive of the peregrine falcon, one truth becomes clear. In nature, speed is survival. Each of these predators has evolved a unique way to turn velocity into a weapon, whether it's through a lightning-fast bite, an explosive burst of acceleration, or a strike so fast it defies human perception. What makes this countdown remarkable is not just the diversity of animals, but the lesson they teach us. Size, strength, and stealth all matter. But when every second counts, it is often the quickest that triumphs. For prey, there's rarely time to react. For predators, speed means the difference between hunger and survival. Nature has spent millions of years perfecting these incredible designs, reminding us just how extraordinary the animal kingdom truly is. If you enjoyed this journey into the fastest attacks on Earth, make sure to subscribe to Animal Ranking Hub for more amazing explorations of wildlife power, mystery, and survival. Because in the wild, every moment is a race. And sometimes, the fastest wins.